Yo, bro, we're camping again. Yo, what's up, bro? What's up, dude? So, did you see that clips? Yeah, those clips are so funny. Did you see how they pranked that teacher so bad? Yeah, that was so funny. I loved it. Like, that teacher fell over like, wee, ow. Yeah, you know, very funny. Get off of me. Get off. Get off of me, man. Yo, I'm sorry, man. But I think it's time to go in. Yeah, let's go. Whoa, what is this? Is that a snake? Okay, weird snake. Yeah, let's go live in our cabin. Alright, let's go in. Let's go back in our cabin. Go to sleep. Mm. Mm. Jump. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in. I want to eat you. Let me in. Let me in. I finally got in their house. Stop! Don't take me, please. I want to eat them. Yeah, what's that sound? I'm sure it's just some type of weird thing. Oh. I can do something silly. I'm plastic. You turn on the lights? Wait, it can't be you. Who's turning on the lights? I'm plastic. Who's plastic? What do you mean? Let me see this. There's no one there. I'm sure it's just some type of dream. Yeah, let's go back. I'm gonna turn on the lights. did they leave their door open this time? Nom, 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 nom. I'm not gonna turn the lights because I'm not an idiot. But how do I climb over walls? How do I climb on walls? I can't climb on walls. I'm gonna have to break through. It's not working. I have to get out of here. What are these sounds? Is there someone in our house? No, babe, just go to sleep. Okay. I think it's daytime now. Yo, let's get up and let's get chopping wood. Alright. Do you want to do it or must I do it? You can. I'm gonna quickly put on the top, okay? There's cracks over here. Why are there cracks over here? I have to investigate this and see what's happening. Oh no, it's gonna give me. Okay, it's gonna give me an ad. And I'll skip it. Alright, let's just skip it. 3, 2, 1. Alright, luckily that ad that I had to watch was very, very short. So, wait. What is that? What? I think something was trying to eat my view of them. What? What happened? But there was blood on the wall. Wait a second. It's gone. I have to quickly make it come back. Okay. That should make it come back. Good. There's blood on the wall by your side. I think... Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Let me see. What? Was someone trying to break in? No, there's definitely no one out there that wants to break into our house. Like, everyone around here is so innocent. Even our friend. What could this be? Was I trying to search whose blood is black? No, I'm sure it's just some type of, like, animal pee. Ew. Ew. No, it's probably just some type of monkey pee or something. No, monkeys don't pee. Nothing can pee black. Only monsters. I mean, monsters like black. Let's just go outside and get this fire started or something. Why don't you make food for us? And yeah, you make food for us, Amber. Alright, I'll make us some. What do we make? What do you want to make? I don't know, cookies? Okay, first we need the healthy lunch. Then we need the unhealthy. Okay, so the cookies will be the unhealthy. And the healthy will be the meat. Okay, yeah, I love meat. Alright, thanks. Go get to work. Wait, our door wasn't locked. Maybe someone was in here. I heard someone say plastic. Maybe not someone else around here is super innocent. Let's go ahead and go and do my work. Alright, it's time to chop these pieces. Ow. Yeah, baby, let's go. I'm not even controlling him right now. Right now, I'm far from the phone, as you guys can hear me. So yeah, I'm not even touching the phone. I'm not actually lying. I'm not even touching the phone one little bit. Like, I'm not even touching the phone. Ew. I'm trying to break this piece of wood. Now, break. Uh, uh. Oh my goodness, stop doing this. Why is this bug so dirty? This is how it always had to be. Shoot off all in love. Look what I made me become. I let you get too close. Just to wake up alone. And I know you think you can run. Scared to believe in the run. Oh my goodness, I hate this bug. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna cut the video so that I can skip the bug. Alright, great. Yeesaw! Hi, 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 yeesaw! Hi, 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 yeesaw! Hi, 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 yeesaw! Hi, hi, hi. Okay, nice. The food's ready. Now I just have to cook it. Okay, let's get it. Yo, buddy, what's up, man? What's up, dude? What are we gonna do today? I don't know. Oh no. What? Yo, bro, what are we gonna do today? I don't know. Let's do that punching challenge. Of what? Let's punch this cobblestone and stuff. Alright, bet. Alright. The cobblestone is still now. Ugh! It's easy. All you literally have to do is just punch it. Ugh! I just kicked it. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of cobblestone pieces. Let's clean this up in 3, 2, 1. Ugh, that's better. Yo, but what else do we do, man? That was so boring. We just had to punch a cobblestone. Why don't we do the challenge who can eat the food the fastest? So you're gonna eat fast food the fastest. Okay, that made no sense at all. Just to move your back. Alright, now we have a perfect sized table. Bro, why are you here? Get away. Okay, I just skipped the ad. So now let's eat the cake now. Are we gonna eat the cake? Yeah, it's fast food. Boom. Here we got each other cakes. So yeah. Yo, do you see those cakes? Oh, I wanna eat them. Did they make that? Oh, let's go. Yo guys, can we also have some cakes? Sure. Yeah, there's no problem with having a cake of ours. That's just gonna make us win the challenge. Are you guys doing a challenge? Yeah, because I'm gonna take one bite and you're gonna take another bite, so that makes it fast. So let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go. Dub. Yeah, it's probably a bad idea doing that. Dub. Take another bite. Take more. Dum. Dum. Whoa. Dum. Wow, boys, you are fast. Yeah, we love fast food. Yeah, but can we have our own now? Yeah. Move. Move. Ugh. Whoa, chill. Yo, buddy, do we have to fight? Yeah, let's play a fighting game. Okay, bring it on. It is on. Yay, I have my own cake. Now it's time to eat this very sparingly. That was so good. Now here's mine. One cake coming up right for you. Nums. Yeah. Hi. Ah, brother, you are good at fighting. Bring it on. Come and get it, dickhead. Oh my gosh, you called me a bad name. Shing. Get out of my face. Hey, yo. Why are you shaking? Hey, yo, stop. Hey, bam. Dun. Yo guys, I think it's nighttime. Yeah, I would suggest we're gonna go to sleep now. Yeah, good night, man. Cat, cub. Okay, I'm coming. Should we set security cameras? Because of that blood, it made me so kind of scared. Yeah, I feel like it's time we set up security cameras. Life of Luxury. You guys know that channel, Life of Luxury? Well, if you didn't see that channel, what are you doing? This video is sponsored by Life of Luxury. Just kidding, it's not. Alright, let's put one camera right there. It's gonna look like a normal brick, but it's actually a camera. Hope they don't actually know that this is a camera. Oh my gosh, no! Alright, finally, the ad's done. Now that's gonna be one camera. Let's put a camera in our room. I'm just gonna put it by your side because that's where we saw the most. And then let's put one by my side so I can actually see through the window. Because right now you're just looking to the front. Alright, let's put a camera downstairs. Okay. And then let's put a camera. Is that gonna be? Whoa. I got scared. Then I also hear something on the roof. Let's put the camera where the bang was. Alright. Now let's go to sleep. That music was creepy. Let's go to sleep now. Alright, let's go. Wait, we forgot to wash. We already washed this morning. Oh yeah, I forgot. Let's go. We go to sleep. wants to know. I got into their house finally. Yes, I got into their house. I got into their house. After a long time, I finally did. Yeah. That looks yummy. I'm gonna try breaking through the window. I will eat you. Get over here. Ugh. No, no, please. No. Why is his arm like that? Yeah, I have to run. What was that? Just go to sleep, please. Just go to sleep. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna stay up all night. I'm gonna stay up all night and make sure we have to box. Alright, thanks. Must I turn the lights? I mean, yeah. Yeah, just turn on the lights. Okay, the rain has stopped. Now the lights are on. The bottom lights are on. So yeah, this. Babe, your window's gone. Plastic. What is this? Get this thing out of here. I don't want this. I'm gonna eat it. Dum, 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 yeah. Dum, 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 dum. Super yummy. Wait, what was that? I saw something. Maybe it's just a bird. I'm plastic. Where did the lights go? I'm not sure where the lights went. Wait, what is that? What is that? Huh? Is that something in the window? I'm plastic, you can't defeat me. Hey, get out of my house! No! Leave my wife alone. Get out of here! Get out of here! I'm plastic, you can't defeat me. Yes, I can. I break plastic bowls a lot of times. How? And did your mama slap your bum? That is the weirdest question ever. Just get out of here. Weirdo. Weird. Super weird. This looks yummy. I'm gonna eat this. This looks yummy. I'm gonna eat this. It looks so yummy. After a long time, I haven't had food. I'm gonna take him to my lab. What's eating me? Neon! Help! 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 Someone's saying help. Ah! I'm coming. I'm coming. No. Where did she go? Where did she go? I have to get out of here. I have to get out of here fast. Okay, you know what? Break these stuff. Ugh. Ugh. I need this. It's time I go. I have to go. I have to find her, my girlfriend. I'll get you. That's the end of the video. Goodbye.